Well, I wanted to show you guys this. So this is something that, one, is a lesson, and two, is also really scary. This person came in and we already had gotten a new subframe, I'll explain that, and they said that there was a grinding noise. And so essentially the grinding noise, yeah. So the axle here, I don't know if you can see that or if that's too bright for the camera, but all of the bushings inside the axle are not there anymore. And I actually just noticed that there is a amp wire on the axle hanging down. This guy? Yeah. So we're gonna get rid of that because that doesn't need to be there. And then I'm gonna show you the stuff under here after I talk to my wife. Hello? Hey, if you like the channel and you want to support us, we do have some new merch on the website, which is uwrenchaz.com. We still have the old school shirt and stuff like that, you know, just like that one, or, you know, our other U-wrench designs. But we've got some new stuff like blinker fluid with the ID10T part number, gone but not forgotten 10 mil, Valentine's Day with the Ugga Dugga. Got the heart on that. This one is actually for Fred. It's a toaster bath with an element. And then we have a few other ones, like, you know, ones for CRXs because I have a CRX and other things like that. But go check out the website. We have new merch coming. We're gonna have new stuff coming out. These are just a sample of what's actually out on there. And yeah, we'd love you guys to wear our stuff. All right, so crisis averted. But with this one, right, crisis was not averted. This is one of those things where if you don't know where to jack up a vehicle, don't. So this, I don't know how bright that is on the camera, but you see this point right here? It's got,
right away.
There you go, all right.
Yeah.
So this point right here, that is the imprint of a jack going up, right? And as you can see, this was not the place to jack up the vehicle. So this completely cracked. The other thing too is when I was moving it around, that axle was jumping around, this mount is destroyed. This is actually two mounts. There's one on the lower side that has a slip through hole, and there's one on the upper side that has a threaded hole for this bolt. And changing out this mount isn't going to fix anything because you're only changing out that little bushing there. When you do, yeah, you can see how far that moves. And I am not a 200 horsepower engine. I am much weaker than a 200 horsepower engine, and that is yanking around. So I can only imagine how far this thing actually twists under power, which probably is why the axle met its demise. There's other things we gotta take care of this, but that is going to be their biggest, oh wow, the car drives nice now. And that's all I hope.